Who says that trucks are just for the guys? Ladies, let's talk about why the 2025 Silverado 1500 is the perfect truck for us. If you're a DIY lover like I am, when you're tackling home projects, flipping furniture, and hauling your creative chaos, you need a truck that works as hard as you do. I'm going to show you a feature that's incredible and is standard on all Chevrolet vehicles. If you look under the hood here, you'll see that the engine is mounted on a hydraulic mount. So what that means is in the event of a severe crash, your engine is going to go down at a 45-degree angle underneath the vehicle instead of through to the cabin, keeping you and your family safe. Something else that comes standard on all Chevrolet vehicles are crumple zones. So what that means is it's going to keep you and your family safe. So depending on the severity of the accident, your car will crumple into crumple zone 1 or crumple zone 2, depending on the severity. And then, like we talked about, the engine, in that event of a very severe crash, it will drop down at that 45-degree angle under the car instead of in the cabin. Something else that I love in the front end is how simple it is to put the hood down, even if you're shorter like I am. So you can just grab the side and pull down. That's it. As you're headed to the hardware store picking up supplies, not only can you use the button here to drop your tailgate, it actually comes on this one. Look at this. It comes on the remote. It's an electronic up and down. So you just double click and it opens for you. Something else that I really love, you can see right here. So it's going to be an assist step right here. So if you're a little bit shorter like I am, you can utilize this step to hop up into the truck bed. So as I mentioned, the assist step. So there is the assist step on both sides, but there's also a handle here. So you can pull up easily to get into the back of the bed. I also love that it has a spray and bed liner as well. So that way it's going to be easy to clean. You're not going to scratch any paint and you can just toss your supplies in there. Take a look here. So this is like one of my favorite features of the truck bed, a 120-volt outlet back here so you can charge your tools while you're on the go. Okay, so let's talk about the inside. So not only do you have this beautiful center console, it's also functional as well. So you have a beautiful gear shift here, 2 cup holders, some awesome storage space here. Actually, this is perfect for like tools. You can toss your screwdriver or something like that. This one right here, perfect spot for a measuring tape. Now this right here is wireless charging for your phone. As you open up your center console, you're going to have a ton of functionality. So you'll have a place for supplies, but you can actually do file hanging here. I don't know if you've ever thought about that, but I thought that was really cool. There is another outlet in here as well as USB and USB-C ports. In this Silverado crew cab, there is dual climate control, which is amazing if you have others in the car. Now, I absolutely love the way that this dash looks. It's clean, it's simple. You have your screen here for your driver's display, and you have your infotainment system. So here, let's get back to the home screen for you. And it's just so sleek. You can control your heated seats. And there are also USB and USB-C ports over here as well. I also love how clean and simple the gear shift is. So it has a button here so you can switch. I absolutely love that it shows you all views. So if you are backing up near a project, or if you're in a parking lot in a tight situation, you'll be able to see all angles of your vehicle. Okay, let's take a look inside the back seat. So you're gonna see those all-weather floor liners, amazing for being able to clean your vehicle. Now look at this seat. It's not just any ordinary seat. This is where it gets really cool. So your back seat will actually lift and give you additional storage underneath. Now when you fold it back down, this here gives you additional storage as well. This Silverado does have a very spacious back seat. And then if you take a look down here, see those hooks? Perfect if you have little ones. If your kids are anything like mine, that means they love to go to the hardware store because they are excited for the next project. But you want to make sure that they're safe while you're hauling material. The Silverado 1500 is rated 5 stars on the government safety rating. So that means you and your family will be safe no matter where your life takes you. This beautiful 2025 Silverado 1500 Crew Cab RST is stocked here at Patriot Chevrolet in Limerick. Stop by Patriot Dealerships for a test drive today.